In this lesson, I will explain the Configure tab, I explain the Tasks tab, and the Data Sources tab. Let's explain the Configure tab in the Timeliner tool. The Configure have the three types of construction in the tasks. When we selected the type of activity, the task type or type of task, it's either a construct, demolish, or a temporary works. On the configure we have the same three types of construction, and the appearance of it's a configuration of the appearance when we are building or when we are making our simulation. Those are the default values and I will explain them. Of course you can use this to add a construction type, or you can select one and delete it, but we don't want to do this. For the construct, it have a start appearance and an end appearance, and of course it have an early appearance and a late one. Let's explain the start and end appearances. The start appearance of the element with the type construct, it will have a green color with a 90% transparency. The appearance is divided into two items, a color and the transparency. It's green with a 90% transparency. You will see it when we start our simulation. If it's a demolish, it would start in a red color with a 90% transparency, and if it's a temporary works, it would be shown in a yellow color with a 90% transparency. And the end appearance for the construction, it would be the model appearance that we can see in here. It would start as nothing, and we built a column, for example. It would be in green color and transparent, and then it would become this column, for example, with this appearance. For the demolish and temporary, it will be hidden because we demolished it, and the temporary, it would be staying for a set amount of time, and it would be removed or demolished. The early appearance and late appearance, we don't have those here, but you can select anything from this drop down menu. If it's an early appearance, you can make it green or yellow. You can make it yellow or make color purple. And if it's a late appearance, for the construct to show it's late, you can make it shown in red, or in red with 90% transparency. The simulation start appearance is it begin as none. The simulation start is we don't have a building, it's not an existing building and would be demolished. As you can see in the demolish type, the simulation start as a model appearance because we have this model existing and we're going to demolish it. You can click on appearance definitions here, and you can add a definitions that you want. You can use a color and transparency if you want to add, and this is called new appearance. We can choose a color, and let's make it orange, for example, this grid, and we can rename it as orange. With transparency, we can use 90% transparent. We'll set the transparency from the slider. It's 90, like this. The default simulation start appearance, this is the simulation start appearance. It would be hide, and click OK. If you want to add another construction type, let's say it's called stage 1, for example, or you want to make as your preference. There's a start appearance, it would be this orange, and the end appearance would be the model appearance. It doesn't have an early or a late appearance, with the simulation start appearance as none. This concludes this lesson. See you in the next one.